Stepping takes my love for dance to another level because it adds sound and percussion to movement. I dance because it reminds me of my humanity and the possibilities of the human body.
Let the rhythm move you. 3.
I started stepping when I joined my sorority, Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, in 2011. I became step mistress of my chapter. Stepping is a part of my identity and my culture.
So, what will happen is it's also a call and response. So I'm going to say my name in a spicy way, and you have to say it back to me the way that I said it to you. Let's try it from the top. And hopefully we'll try to...
Within this dance form, not only is the movement important, but also the various rhythms and polyrhythms created by the hands, thighs, and feet. And when I teach, I'm able to share and pass on these ideas in hopes that others will also discover more about themselves,
Let's practice that.
to see what they can create.
Come on, let's sweat. Sweat. Let the music take your soul. Let the rhythm move you.
So the rhythm is here, and my body's just letting it ride. Like you really want to feel that. Yeah?
I've continued that expansion to research and explore the possibilities of this powerful percussive dance and share it with the world.
The spiral thing really helps. StepAfrika. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 me, me, me. Hey, 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 Say the second steppers. Can you say steppers?
Steppers.
But like loud. Like steppers.
Steppers.
I'm here for it. And then you'll say yes.